We'll guide you through how to purchase a domain on Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website using your desktop browser. Once there, you'll see a search bar right on the homepage. Type in the domain name you want to purchase and hit enter. The results will show you if your desired domain is available and suggest alternatives if it's not. Pick the domain you like and click on the Add to Cart button next to it. This will take you to your cart where you can review your selection. Here, you'll see options for additional services like domain privacy, which is usually included for free, so make sure it's selected for your privacy protection. Next, click on the Checkout button. If you don't have a Namecheap account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. It's a quick sign-up process that requires your basic information. If you already have an account, just log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method, such as credit card, PayPal, or cryptocurrency, then fill out the necessary payment details. After double-checking everything, click on Pay Now to complete your purchase. You'll receive a confirmation email from Namecheap with all your domain details. Now your domain is yours, and you can start setting it up with a website or email hosting. Remember, keeping your contact information updated in your account settings is important for domain management and renewals. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.